All right, y'all, we back at it today. Fixing this left front spindle. Dylan picked up a new steering arm. That's what broke. It actually didn't break the arm. It broke the bolts, broke grade 8 bolts out of that arm, and bent the arm. So he went by McElroy's and picked up a new one today. Shout out to Doug. But anyway, we're gonna get it put on. He's got the car washed, clean the air filter. What else you done this week? Nothing. So hopefully we can get this thing up. Our shock comes in. We may go race somewhere this weekend. For shock, we ain't racing anymore until we get our shock. I know that. Where's the shock? Where's that shock?
Tell them about it. Give them the rundown.
We dented a shock at Moulton. It don't look like much. Right there, if you see that.
Let me push it all the way in so they can see what it does.
Gets stuck right there, but
It will not come out unless you pull it out.
But at first I told Dylan I didn't think it's that big a deal. Then after the car was jumped, I got to thinking about it. I think that shock had a lot more to do with it. I argued with Dylan on that it was shot. He didn't think it was, so I messaged our shop guru, and he said that he didn't know if the shock was all the problem, but the shock was definitely a problem. So anyway, we've got a new one ordered. We ordered it last week, and they said it'd be 2 weeks, so hopefully it comes in this week. That's that. Dylan's cousin, he drives worse than Dylan.
See, I'm twisting the shock right now. I'm trying to get it back past this pin.
But yeah, I think that, I mean, we're never good at home wall, but we should have been better than we was. Our car's been borderline tight all year. We hadn't had to loosen it up at all, or hadn't had to tighten it up at all. And we made about 15 changes to try to get it tight enough other night. So I feel like the shock was part of the problem anyway. But anyway, hopefully the new one comes in this week, and if it does, we'll probably go racing somewhere. We just ain't sure where yet. We're up, the left front's put back together. Got to pick up a bolt. What'd you do? Just put one bolt in it?
One's grade 5. Always put grade 8 bolts in those. Grade 5's a break. Easy.
Grade 8's break too, apparently.
I know, if you hit a tractor tire.
Dylan's all upset over the racing video if you watched it last week. I messed up in my editing and put him hitting the tractor tire a lap later than he actually hit it.
I hit it the lap before that.
I told him if he wants me to know for sure when he hits it, he's going to have to hit it hard enough to move it. Because I couldn't even really tell.
Hey, we can do washer.
Washer for what?
The drain plug.
Thought we needed a whole new drain plug. Pull it, yeah.
We put this on it.
Huh?
We put this on it.
Put what on it?
When it's in the top, just switch them out and we can get another new one for when it's on the top.
Are they the same? I guess.
Alright guys, tell them what we're doing, guys. Tell them what we're doing.
We're changing the oil.
You want to go into detail? Pin grade. Check this out.
Getting some fresh pen grade oil.
Guess what color this stuff's green. Green oil.
Yeah, ain't much green that we'll put on a race car, but Brad pen oil we will.
We try not to put it on a race car. We try to put it inside the motor and not have
I've seen you pour it. You put it on it too. No, this really is good oil. It's all I've ever run in race cars. Well, not ever, but for the last probably 10 years, that's all it's been in any of my race cars.
Don't even say it because we're gonna jinx us. Don't say it.
That's all I've ever ran in my van. If you know, those 3.9s in them vans ain't really known for longevity.
How many miles has the van got on it?
225, 230.
More than that. I had 300,000.
I think that's it.
Fix the starter.
Lightning fixed the starter.
I took some shims out of it. Still green, boys. Go faster.
Go faster.
Don't you want to go racing Saturday?
Yeah.
Do you want to win?
Where you want to go race at?
Alabama.
Alabama? Alright.
You gonna pour the oil in?
Let me get you a bottle.
What's he getting? What is that? A funnel. Can you say funnel? Say, bring the funnel, Daddy. There you go. All right, good job. You gonna do all of it? Go ahead and get one out.
Got it!
Yay, Ridley.
Mom said I'll get there. What's she say? You already
Ridley.
said you already got that.
Ridley, tell her it's Daddy's fault. Say, Daddy made me.
Whoa! Battery.
Could give her a screwdriver stick in it.
Don't spill it. Don't spill it.
All right, Ridley, count and see how many you put in so far. Count them. Good job. Need a couple more. Ridley, what kind of oil do we use? Joe, that's going to do us for today. Got everything pretty much ready to go, really. Like I said, if we get her shock in, got to put a bolt in this steering arm. I'll pick one of them up one day this week, and then get her shock in, just go over everything good. We'll be ready to go again. We'll probably... Where are we going to go racing this weekend? Where are we going racing? North Alabama? Makeup girls.
Alabama.
Anyway, y'all, yeah, if we get it done, what's that car? If we get it done, we'll probably be at North Alabama this weekend and try to get ready for the King of Mods race the following week. But anyway, that's going to do us for now. Y'all give us a like, subscribe, and comment. Help us grow this page. And we'll see y'all at the racetrack Saturday, maybe.